Camera.
Okay. Something I was sitting there. And something said, get out of the house. Move, get up. And you understand, so often I've been attending what we call Sunday school. And the Sunday school lessons. And many times the author of certain scriptures say, and the Spirit said, and the Spirit moved, and the Spirit did this. Now I've heard a conversation, someone was asking, what is Spirit? And many could not answer. But the Spirit that moves us is divine intelligence. Meaning that everything functions through divine intelligence. The sun knows it's the governor of the day. The moon knows it's the governor of the night. Fish know that it's to swim. Birds know it's to fly. Everything functions with divine intelligence. So, when we have a spiritual experience, we are functioning in our subconscious. In our subconscious lies divine intelligence. So you have to know today that you are, number one, a genius, and you're full of talent, and you function with divine intelligence. You have to know there is no limitations to your expectations. Why, through divine intelligence, you can reach out into nowhere, hold on to nothing, and pull something in. Through divine intelligence, even your mistakes are perfect. You can do anything. You have the key to your good, and your key is infinite intelligence. Firm right now, I can do anything. There's no limitations to my expectations. For the Spirit of infinite intelligence goes before me, preparing the way, opening doors, breaking barriers. Through infinite intelligence, opposition is nothing but a field of possibilities. So today, step into your good. You deserve it. And so it is.